Hey Taurus, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. So this is telling me that you definitely want a happy family. Maybe somebody wants this with you. Somebody's envisioning some type of family situation here. So yeah, let's jump in. Let's see. What message do you have for Taurus, please? Taurus. Alright, Ace of Pentacles is in reverse. Somebody's feeling like what they were hoping and wishing for is not going to happen. Maybe somebody is having issues with money right now. Tell me more. What's about the Ace of Pentacles reverse? Three of Cups. Somebody just recently found out that they were put in a third-party situation. What I just heard. Some of you guys... Yeah, I'm getting a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay. Taurus, what is going on? Second half of this month. Okay, some of you guys already knew about some type of third party. Maybe you didn't have the full details of it, but yeah, there's definitely a third party here. Okay. And y'all know, I'm going to say it every time. Third party does not have to be another man, another woman. It could be a family member, friend, anything, okay? But yeah, look at that. Definitely third party. You guys are looking at this individual like, you know what? You put me in some type of third party situation. You had other options, you know, and you're not feeling that at all. I mean, who would? But, tell me more. Yep. Somebody could have been dealing with an earth sign here, a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But I just feel like you guys aren't putting the time, effort, or energy into the situation, and you're focusing on yourself. You guys have been healing, because at one point, this person had you in your head a lot. Up late at night, worried, frustrated, not knowing what to do, you know, what was going on, because they were kind of just keeping you in the dark. Somebody is definitely dealing with a Libra, the way this thing just tumbled out. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but I feel like you guys are trying to find out the truth. Maybe somebody's going through some type of legal situation. But more so, I feel like you guys were definitely just trying to find out the truth in the situation here. Ooh, the moon tried to jump out, but it didn't. Okay, hold on. Alright. Yeah, okay. Somebody, I don't know who, this is not for everybody, but yeah, somebody is definitely upset. Because they took some type of financial loss here. So, somebody could be going to court, maybe trying to get back what they're owed. Somebody's definitely in court, because I keep hearing court. But for others of you, that's not going on. Somebody is upset because whoever they were dealing with, they were taking from them financially. Somebody definitely feels left out in the cold. Somebody was definitely getting taken advantage of here, and I don't mean to laugh. It's just like, I feel like for a lot of you guys, it was the person that you were dealing with. Whoever they left you for, or whatever situation that they had, that person, they got them. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Like, justice was served, okay? So it's just like, I had to chuckle, because I keep telling people, you know, you can't expect for blessings to come in and good things to happen to you if you keep treating people wrong. You got to walk it like you talk it. So, with that being said, somebody got left out in the cold, okay? Now they're having a hard time because their money isn't together. Somebody's feeling like a situation isn't improving. Yeah, look, codependency. The card that came out. There was definitely some issue of codependency here. Taurus, I don't know if the person that you were dealing with, they were codependent towards you financially. Oh, yeah. For some of y'all, I just heard yes. Okay. Yeah, that was it for some of y'all. Not everybody, but yeah. That's why some of y'all are sad, because a lot of you guys feel like you were used. Somebody was with you guys just for stability. Somebody's worried. I'm so so sorry that you guys have to go through that. Like, this is some BS. Somebody's worried. You could be dealing with a Cancer. Take it more so down. Somebody's worried that you don't want to move forward with them anymore. Look at that. But somebody wants happiness still. Who are y'all dealing with? Let me see. Clarify the Ten of Pentacles. What? Somebody's confused. Because they're confusing me. And I don't like getting confused, Taurus. Somebody needs to get this together, okay? Alright, so... yeah, the person that messed up. And this can go vice versa. Take it however fits your situation. But... whoever messed up, this person is worried because they feel like you don't want to move forward with them. They really want to be with you. They want to try to work things out. They see stability with you. They see themselves growing with you. And so they're getting ready to rush back in very fast to try to save the situation with you. But honestly, you guys aren't positive about this person anymore because it's like you learned your lesson. You see it for what it is. Yeah, you're realizing that things are not going to improve with this person. Y'all, I'm trying to keep it together because I'm a little pissed off for y'all. Like, this is crazy. Alright. This person wants things to improve between the two of you guys, but you're like, no, I don't see anything improving. You're looking at this person like they can't even get their finances together, and you feel like they were leeching off of you for somebody. You know, I don't know who that was for, but somebody felt like this person was leeching. But with the Two of Swords here, I feel like, okay, somebody's stuck at a crossroads needing to make a decision. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. If not, the person that you're dealing with, this person, they don't communicate. This person does not speak up. They don't tell you anything. They keep things hidden from you. They just don't open up at all. Somebody's dealing with a Scorpio. Clarify death for me. I feel like something just needs to come to an end so that something new can begin. Tell me more. Clarify death, please. Yeah. Something. Look at. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay. Taurus. Spirit is basically stating, okay, with this person, they're on mute. They don't speak up. They don't open up. And at this point, what you want, you need, and you deserve in your life, you can have it. But this got to stop. You got to put an end to this. It needs to come to an end so that something new can begin. I mean, you cannot make this up. You have Wheel of Fortune with the Four of Wands. You can have this. It's coming in. You learned your lesson. You're moving on. So guess what? The universe is getting ready to bless you. You're getting ready to have your happy home. This person, ooh, that y'all were dealing with. You know, I'm starting to remember the last reading. Y'all need to run. Because I'm starting to remember now. No, Taurus. Somebody's still in their head. There's definitely a lot of conflict here. And they want to give you the truth. Somebody wants to come and speak some type of truth. They want happiness with you, but hold on. Whoa. Okay, wait. Oh, Jesus, what is happening? Did I tell you I had a lot coming to me in the beginning? Alright, hold on. Somebody is definitely not using their intuition when it comes to this individual. I don't know who this is for. And I'm sorry to say this, because I don't know who went through it. Okay, let me just say it. So, Taurus, I don't know if you got pregnant by this person and you lost the baby. There was a miscarriage that took place, and so I'm so sorry to hear that. There are others of you out there that this person was cheating on you with someone else. And either they got pregnant or they got somebody else pregnant, you know, man, woman, you know, whatever. And somebody lost the baby. Oh, this is too much. Oh, Taurus. Oh, gosh. Who is this for? Okay. That's why some of you guys are undecided about what to do. Or maybe this person is undecided about what to do when it comes to you. Because maybe they really want to be with you, but they put themselves in a position. Maybe you heard about it, you found out, but that's why they're not moving towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius. But this person was definitely a player. They played games big time. Could have been dealing with an Aquarius. But I feel like you guys tried to have hope that things will work out between the two of you. But you're like, you know what? I deserve so much better. And that's why I keep looking. And I was about to say, I keep looking at stay optimistic about your love life. And then there goes the 8 of Cups that flew right on top of it. Y'all, this person put your, ooh, Lord, y'all, I'm trying to keep it together because I'm trying to deliver the message, but I'm pissed for y'all, whoever this is resonating for. Somebody, they don't want you to walk away. They definitely don't want you to walk away at all. Tell me more. Yeah, somebody wants to come back to try to balance things out. But you can't help but to think that they were cheating on you. They were playing you. They were giving to you and somebody else. And that's why you don't see yourself building this happy family like you guys once talked about. You know, there's definitely a lot of conflict between the two of you guys. It's just like this person's arguing with you. They arguing with other people. Like, it's a mess. I just feel like there's too many people involved. And that's why you're back and forth. It's like you do care about this person. You love this person. It's like, for some of you guys, you spent time with this person for a while. You've been dealing with them. And it's like, okay, do I just throw all of that away? But then you're like, looking at this, because I'm looking at it like giving y'all the eye. But it's like, you know what? Those seeds that were planted, I don't see them growing. Tell me more. That's why I keep my cards pointed down, because y'all, my face tells it all. And my face is all like, eyebrow is raised, the whole 9. Like, somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius. But yeah, somebody's interfering here. Somebody's mother could be interfering, motherly figure, another woman, doesn't matter. Somebody's interfering, okay? And I feel like the person that you were dealing with, they want to rush in. They want to tell you something. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Maybe they want to tell you that they got out of some type of third-party situation here. You're still disappointed. That's why you're coming off like really cold and harsh to them, because you're over them playing games. You're tired. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. A Leo just tried to jump out. So somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But I feel like this person is just, they're not consistent. They don't make any moves. They take too long doing stuff. And they're not really opening up and telling you anything. But I feel like, you know, you're back and forth. Or maybe they're back and forth, which is why they're not telling you anything. Because they're like, okay, I want to put in the work with Taurus, but then again, I'm not. You know? Somebody's definitely trying to focus on their finances. But Taurus, I feel like they're keeping a close eye on you. They're watching you. Why would they not? Okay. Somebody has confidence now. Tell me more. Alright, let's see. Alright, somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here. Got a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. There's a Leo. But yes. Okay, so somebody has confidence now. They're realizing that they love you. They want to be with you. You just don't have a peace of mind about this person because of everything that they put you through, and you're emotional about it. You don't have the strength to deal with them, but there is an offer coming in. But again, you feel like this person isn't balanced. They don't bring balance to your life, and you're tired of dealing with them in their drama.